If you're like me, it's almost impossible to eat soup, chili, or stew without having some kind of bread to dunk in them. And nothing is better than freshly baked biscuits. That way, we can get every last drop. To make them, we start by mixing some flour with baking powder and baking soda, a bit of salt, and a little sugar. After it's mixed, we cut in some shortening and cold butter. If you've never cut shortening or butter into dry ingredients, you do it with a pastry cutter, like this one, or you can use a couple of forks. The idea is to create a coarse crumb mixture, so you end up with biscuits that are super flaky. Now we stir in some buttermilk and mix this until the dough is moist. We roll this out until it's about a half an inch thick, and with a biscuit cutter or drinking glass, we cut out circles and put them on a tray and bake them off. That's it. In minutes, when they're golden, they're ready to serve. Sure, we can slather them with butter or eat them as is, but I think they're best when they're dunked in any of our comforting favorites. To get the recipe for our Better Buttermilk Biscuits, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found the ultimate dunking way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.